Hey, I'm Chris with Stealth Cam and Muddy, and today I want to talk about 4 different uses for cell cams outside of deer hunting. So obviously, the main use that most of our customers use the cell cams for is for deer hunting, but there's other uses out there as well that are kind of outside the box. First off, we've seen a lot of waterfowl hunters using these cell cams, whether it be on fields or ponds, bodies of water, whatever, especially now that they have the on-demand photo and video capabilities, which sends photos and videos straight to your app. So a great scouting tool for waterfowl hunters. With that being said, still talking about birds, turkey hunters are using these. Finding out there's a lot of intel you can learn about what the turkeys are doing on your farms when you're not there. A third use for cell cams is security. And it's not only security on your farm, but security at your house. So one of the good things is cell cams don't have to connect to Wi-Fi, completely wireless, and connect to the best network in your area. So I use cell cams on all the gates to my farms. I want to make sure that people that aren't supposed to be going in there aren't going in there. That real-time info of knowing when someone's on your farm is huge. Also, we have a lot of customers who use our cameras around their house, on their driveways, and just gives you that peace of mind of knowing what's going on when you're not there. So one of the 4th reasons, and something that I saw quite a few of our customers using this year, was with trapping becoming more popular, with people trying to trap nest predators. We had quite a few people who were sending in photos of putting cell cams on their trap line. They could tell how those animals were reacting to the trap, then obviously if they caught anything or not. So those are 4 pretty outside the box reasons to use cell cams. A lot of us, we're so focused on deer, that's kind of all we think about. But these cameras really can be utilized year-round. If you'd like to learn more about our products, check them out on GoMuddy or StealthCam.com.